We all get upset and we all get angry in our day-to-day life. But the important question is, how long should you be upset or angry? In this video, I will be giving you a simple rule which suggests how long you should be upset and angry. So keep watching this video. If you find this video useful, please share it and like it and comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. Coming back to our topic, we may be upset because of a conflict at home, or it could be because of a problem with the boss or a problem with our colleague or maybe with the customer, and we are mad and angry and upset, and we keep on brooding and resenting. Now, how long should one do that? So there are people who keep resenting and being upset for 1 hour. Some people can be upset for about 4 hours. Some people half a day, 1 day, 1 week, maybe a month also. So how long should you be upset? So here's the rule. And the rule is known as 5x5 rule. And this rule says that you should not spend more than 5 minutes of your time being upset if the problem will not matter at all 5 years from now. I repeat, in other words, if this problem does not make a difference or does not matter 5 years from now, don't spend more than 5 minutes getting upset about. So that's the 5x5 rule. I hope you found it useful. So please use it. So thanks for watching this video. See you again in my next video. This is RajivKumarLuv, the online life skills coach. Bye.